Sony has a wide range of earphones available in different price segments. Sony WI-XB400 is one of its recent earphones. In this video, I will talk about this earphone in detail. If you are looking to buy this earphone, keep watching my review of Sony WI-XB400. Hey guys, I'm Dipankar back with another video, and today I'm gonna talk about a new Sony earphone XB400. Before I talk more about this earphone, I request you to please subscribe my channel and tap on bell icon for getting notifications of all our upcoming videos. This is the retail box of Sony WI-XB400 where it clearly mentions the key point of this earphone. Now have a quick look on the unboxing to know about the inbox content that you will be getting if you buy Sony XB400. Sony WI-XB400 has a wired design where a thin wire is connecting both the earbuds. This wire has two thick modules where one looks to be the battery pack and other features control buttons and mic. The center button is to turn it on while the other two are volume rockers that can also be used to control tracks. There's also a tiny LED notification light and USB Type-C port for charging. The inline control module will be on the left side. When you are using the earphone, you can easily locate it and use buttons without any trouble. It is also easy to identify each button separately. It has a flat wire that minimizes tangles, so you don't need to spend a few minutes in untangling wire each time you want to use it. You can keep it hanging from your shoulders comfortably. Both earbuds have a built-in magnet to keep them locked together. Earbud locks together and will be there like a necklace. When you want to use it again, detach them and put them in ears. It is a lightweight earphone and features comfortable earbuds, so you can keep it wearing throughout the day. When you do not want to use it, you can keep it in your pocket or bag. Default earbuds were a good fit for me, but the company also ships it with two extra pairs of different sizes. Ear tips are made of silicone and they are crafted to be comfortable. The build quality of the earphone is really good and it has a premium finish. The only downside is the lack of water resistance, so keep it safe from water splashes and avoid using it when it is raining. If you get a little sweat, there is no problem, but there can be if you sweat too much. There is no official IP rating, so be extra careful. I used it while running a few times and earbuds never came out automatically. Music experience on this earphone is really impressive and I liked the superior bass response. The earphone comes with 12mm drivers that produce clear, crisp and rich sound. Drivers are larger than used in other earphones of this segment. Mids and highs are also nice along with a good bass. It delivers a pretty spacious sound stage considering its price. I tested this earphone with several kinds of tracks and even used it while watching movies. The performance is impressive. This earphone also gives you good isolation and no noise can interrupt your listening experience. The earphone also features a microphone for hands-free calling and calling experience is also good. It captures a good voice and removes most of the background noise to deliver your clear audio on the other side. The earphone is also compatible with smartphone's voice assistant, so you have access to Google Assistant or Siri to get directions, play music and communicate with contacts with a simple press of button. Sony promises 15 hours of battery backup and this earphone delivers the same. You get close to 15 hours of music playback on a single charge. Even if you are listening to music at 100% volume all the time, you will still get around 12 hours of music playback. When you turn the earphone on, it tells you the battery level, so you always know how much juice is still left, but there is no zero battery warning. When it runs out of juice, it will automatically shut down without telling you. With the larger audio driver, it manages to deliver impressive battery backup without making the earphone bulky. It takes around 3 hours in charging this earphone from 0 to 100%. There is a Type-C port for charging and the 10 minutes of charge can give you up to 60 minutes of music playback. That's another impressive thing in this earphone. Sony WI-XB400 is impressive with excellent build, solid music experience and long battery backup. The only negative thing I could point is the lack of water resistance that is already available in most of the other wireless earphones in this segment. This earphone is good for every condition including jogging, hiking or daily usage. These are comfortable for long usage and battery life is also long. If you are comfortable with not having an IP rating, Sony WI-XB400 has all other things covered and you can go with it. I tried to cover everything about this earphone. If you still have anything to ask, you can ask using the comment section and I will reply as soon as possible. If you really found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you guys in the next video.